bad motherfucker. I get that cash, motherfucker. Going next around, I be the last motherfucker. You wanna try J-Bird, been the blast, motherfucker. I'm a bad motherfucker. I get that bag, motherfucker. Going next around, I be the last motherfucker. You wanna try J-Bird, been the blast, motherfucker. Y'all niggas scared. Y'all niggas hard bumping through your fucking chest. I can see it, nigga, I believe it. Especially when death be the reason. Till the season, jeez. Whole niggas buy down with ease. I can make you easily bleed from one squeeze. You niggas ain't nothing like us, you don't follow the G code. You niggas ain't bros, I ain't seen y'all before. All it taking necessary steps to follow the code. But these niggas fall underneath and always fold. I'ma stand on top, boy, I'm always on. Keep a gun in my hand while I was always told. This that half-court trap, I keep 2-3 shooters in zone. It get dark in the room when the lights is on. Niggas always acting hard when the mics be on. Get checked and get stumped with some Nikes on. Tryna live out that shit that you preaching them songs. Man, you niggas dead wrong, you really deserve some tombstones. All it take is one to the dome. Nigga, it's on. Hope you really pray for your soul. Karma is a bitch and you reap what you sow. Revenge is a dish that is best served cold. Like surcharges, can't let go. I'm a bad motherfucker. I get that cash, motherfucker. Going next around, I be the last motherfucker. You wanna try J-Bird, been the blast, motherfucker. I'm a bad motherfucker. I get that bag, motherfucker. Going next around, I be the last motherfucker. You wanna try J-Bird, been the blast, motherfucker. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I was in retirement, but beef gon' rehire me. I don't do public disputes, I move silent. Nigga ain't shit sweet but the swisher. Got a lot of respect, you can lose it from a pistol. And your family and mom gon' miss you. Involving yourself in shit usually you don't get into. When it come to beef, this is usually what I get into. Double-edged sword in the cut, just like a Ginsu. Revolver on the lap, never know what you might get into. Traumatized due to the fact of what I've been through. Niggas trying to take me out. Proved everybody wrong without a shadow of doubt. Soon as I let the top down, arm out the window with my trigger finger in position. Itching for a killing, I'ma hit him when I'm aiming at the target. Hardly question if I miss it. Bullets hit your intersection, eyes ripping up your tissue. Cleveland hospital, couldn't treat them, airlifting to Memphis. Your soul's in the sky, I guess I make the decision. Trying to take a nigga kindness for weakness. One eye open even when a nigga sleeping. Keep the grass low, I can see the snakes creeping. Hollow be that name, don't try me, try G. Eye for an eye, I get even. Stuck in between good and evil. What you won't do, I will, I won't deceive you. Don't believe me, just wait till I see it's on. Nigga, it's on. Hope you really pray for your soul. I'm a bad motherfucker. I get that cash, motherfucker. Going next around, I be the last motherfucker. You wanna try J-Bird, been the blast, motherfuckers. I'm a bad motherfucker. I get that bag, motherfucker. Going next around, I be the last motherfucker. You wanna try J-Bird, been the blast, motherfuckers.
I want you to go in that bag and find my wallet. Which one is it? It's the one that said bad motherfucker. That's my bad motherfucker. Open it up. Take out the money. Count it. How much is that? $1,500. Okay, put it in your pocket. It's yours. Now with the rest of those wallets in the register, makes this a pretty successful little score.
Jules, you give that fucking Nimrod $1,500 and I'll shoot him on general principle.
No, Yolanda, he ain't gonna do a goddamn motherfucking thing. Bitch, shut the fuck up! Yeah. Come on, Yolanda, stay with me, baby.
Now, I ain't giving it to him, Vincent. I'm buying something for my money. Wanna know what I'm buying, Ringo?
What?
Your life. I'm giving you that money so I don't have to kill your ass. You read the Bible, Ringo?
Not regularly, no.
Well, there's this passage I got memorized. Ezekiel 25:17. The path of the righteous man is beset on all sides by the inequities of the selfish and the tyranny of evil men. Blessed is he who in the name of charity and goodwill shepherds the weak through the valley of darkness, for he is truly his brother's keeper and the finder of lost children. And I will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious anger those who attempt to poison and destroy my brothers. And you will know I am the Lord when I lay my vengeance upon you. I've been saying that shit for years. And if you heard it, that meant your ass. I never gave much thought to what it meant. I just thought it was some cold-blooded shit to say to a motherfucker before I popped a cap in his ass. But I saw some shit this morning that made me think twice. See, now I'm thinking, maybe it means you're the evil man, and I'm the righteous man. And Mr. 9mm here, he's the shepherd protecting my righteous ass in the valley of darkness. Or it could mean you're the righteous man, and I'm the shepherd. And it's the world that's evil and selfish. Now, I'd like that. But that shit ain't the truth. The truth is, you're the weak, and I'm the tyranny of evil men. But I'm trying, Ringo. I'm trying real hard to be the shepherd. Go.